A merchant was hit by a scooty and seriously injured. This incident took place in Kaman Chowmuhani area, Agartala. However, the police failed to catch the scooty driver. The number of accident cases has been increasing in the state. Again, a merchant was hit by a scooty and seriously injured. Incident took place in Kaman Chowmuhani area in the capital, Agartala. After the incident, the fire service was informed. The injured merchant was taken to Agartala GB hospital immediately after the news was informed by the fire service. Later, after the incident, the family members of the injured merchant arrived at the incident place. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.